Welcome to Asim Code. You're just one click away from unlocking your coding potential. And hit subscribe. And let's make some tech sparks fly. In C++, a string is a sequence of characters used to store text. Strings are essential for working with textual data in most programs. C++ provides two primary ways to work with strings: C-style strings, also called character arrays, .C++ standard library strings, from the std string class. This example demonstrates how to work with strings in C++ by showing various string manipulation techniques. It initializes a string, calculates its length, appends more text, finds a substring, extracts a part of the string, and replaces a word within the string. The program uses functions like length, find, substr, and replace to manage and modify text in a std string. In summary, the example shows how to manipulate strings by measuring their length, searching for and extracting substrings, and performing modifications like appending and replacing text, all while explaining each step clearly. This header allows us to perform input and output operations using std, cout, and std, cin. This header is required to use the std string class, which is part of the C++ standard library for string manipulation. Declare a string variable and initialize it with a value. Message is a variable of type std string, holding the text "Hello world." Std string is a part of the C++ standard library that manages text, a sequence of characters, automatically. Output the original message to the console. Std cout is an object used for output, and it prints the value of message to the console. Std endl moves the cursor to the next line, creating a clean separation in the output. Get the length of the string message. Message length stores the length of the string message. Size_t is an unsigned integer type, which is used for storing the length of a string. Message.length returns the number of characters in the string. For "Hello world," it will return 13. Output the length of the string. Print the number of characters in the string, which in this case is 13. Append more text to the existing string using the += operator. The += operator is used to concatenate the string "How are you today?" to the end of message. This operation doesn't change the original string but creates a new string with the old string plus the new content. Output the updated message. After concatenation, the message now contains, "Hello world! How are you today?" This will print the updated message to the console. Find the position of the word world in the string. Position will store the index where the word world first appears in message. Message.find is a function that searches for a substring, in this case, world, within the string. If the substring is found, it returns the starting index of that substring. If not, it returns std, string, and pose. Check if world is found in the message. Std, string, pose is a constant that represents a value indicating not found. If find doesn't locate the substring, it returns this value. If position is not equal to std, string, pose, that means the substring, world, is found. Output the position where world is found. Print the index of the substring, world, within the string. 4. Hello world! Position would be 7 because W starts at index 7. If world is not found, print this message instead. Extract a substring from the message. Message.substr start index length creates a substring starting from the start index, 7 in this case, and extracts length characters, 5 in this case. Substr does not modify the original string but returns a new string, so substring will contain the part of message starting from index 7 and having 5 characters. Output the extracted substring. Print the extracted substring, which will be world, as it starts at index 7 and has 5 characters. Replace the word world with everyone. Find the position of world in the message again. If world is found, we replace it with everyone. Message.replace, index, length, new underscore string, replaces the part of the string starting at index with a new string. We start replacing at world pos, the index of world, and replace the next 5 characters with everyone. Output the final modified message. The final message will now be, "Hello, everyone. How are you today?" Since world was replaced with everyone. Return 0 to indicate that the program executed successfully. This line marks the end of the main function, and the return value 0 indicates successful execution. Now run our code. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more fun content.